Hi, I'm Anil Kumar. This lesson is about retouching for e-commerce. If you're not a professional photographer and retouching artist, but you want to sell your jewelry, shoes, clothes, etc. through e-commerce website, then this lesson is just for you. You don't want to pay money to photographer or you want to do retouching yourself, then you can learn easily photography and retouching. So we'll start how to retouch these kind of images. First, make a folder and put all the images, same kind of images, like this is silver or white metal jewelry. Then open this image. Now you can see this image. Now step 1 is that we should record this our activity. Go to window, then go to actions. Here we see this action dialog box. Then press this new action and record. Now whatever we are going to do, this everything will be recorded here. So how to do? Now first step is to go to image and here go to adjustment and go to curves. We can do it by pressing Control Command M or just click here. Then take this right dropper and now touch this dropper here anywhere you find the brighter point. So take this portion and press OK. Now second step is to remove the color cast of this jewelry. How to do that? Go to image and adjustment and hue saturation. Control Command U. Now go to master, go to reds and lightness 100% or 100. Then go to yellow and remove yellow cast. So now this is looking gray with gradients. Third is go to filter, sharpen and sharp mask and here put 100% and radius 2. Press OK. After that, stop this recording. Now we have to make this white background pure white. This is not pure white. Maybe this is looking white, but it is not. So you'll see how we make it pure white background. Go to magic band. Here in magic wand, select tolerance 10 and then now when we press here, we see lot of these small selection also. Don't worry about that. Just press shift and now select this portion, inside portion and this portion finally. Now take lasso tool, press shift and start dragging your mouse nearby of this jewelry, but not too close. Just make it like this and we are selecting nearby and go outside and outside again, go outside and there. When we come back here, we close here. So now all the tiny selections are gone. Now press shift again and take this lasso tool and start removing from inside also and closer also if you can. So remove all the small selection in the nearby areas. Keep pressing shift and this, you'll see that all are gone. After that, now press shift F5 For fill dialog box, here you select this white and press OK. We see that now pure white background. If you want to see that whether it is pure white or not, take this dropper and take sample from here and go here. You'll find all 6F. This means this is pure white background. After that, press Ctrl D to deselect, and now we can take DOS tool and here go to hardness 100% and exposure 100%. After that, enlarge this and see this diamond. And this now make this brush smaller by pressing bracket on your keyboard. This is near enter button, and now remove dark spots little bit, not too much. Then if there are many diamonds, you can add it all. You want to make it brighter, reduce your exposure to 50% around and make this brush bigger and just touch here 1 or 2 times, then you will see that it is becoming brighter. After that, go to hardness, make hardness 0% and exposure around 25%, and now make this brush bigger and make it lighter. Or you can make it lighter, these black marks also. After that, completing this exercise, you can take burn tool, hardness 0%, exposure around 25%, and now make it little bit darker to give definition of the weaker points. Not too much, just touch that to make it stronger lines. After that, if you want to make it like a Tiffany, you want to make it a bluish tone kind, then press Ctrl B, and now cyan here put 20, and don't forget to put minus before that. Now you see this is Tiffany. You can make it more blue, make it 25 and press OK. Then you have to crop this image also. Press crop, and now you have to make it a this crop. To save this, you can put any size as per your requirement. Suppose you want 20 inches by 20 inch, you want to make it for website, then resolution 72, and you can save as crop preset, but we have already crop preset. Then press here, and now we see here like this. Now this image you have to double click, and now we can move this image. Press Ctrl V, press V, and we can shift this image. Now press Ctrl T, and now we can change the angle of the image, and we can do it like this. After that, take crop tool, and we can save this image after cropping. So this is the editing. Now go to save as and put one extension, otherwise it will save your JPG image. You should not save same image, so put just one extension and save it. Now this exercise is over and we have saved our action also. After that, open another image, and now this time when we open this image, we go to actions and play. So what we get? We get curves, hue saturation and sharp mask, which we have recorded. Now again we can go to magic wand, same exercise, shift and select, and this time you'll see that after pressing shift and lasso tool, then we will be able to remove the small selections, and now this is becoming faster. Now press shift F5 and then we can do the same thing what we have done before. You can do the same thing with another image. Open this image and now you do the same thing, action, and now play. So we get this kind of images all the times. Okay, so this makes very faster retouching. Okay, thank you.